Finally, number 44 makes contact with 281. Oh, and a huge head-on. And number 13, and a triple T-bone. For number 13, Peter Lisa. Well done. I'm not sure how many more times going to get. Oh, the hits are just ridiculous. Incredible stuff down there. On turn 4. And look at the state of 6.1. He went flying in there. Joe G's Boxer Jack has found a way through. And Joe G's gate. Oh well, there's another crash. 589 Simon Smith, the race leader, on the back straight. Who wants to be a hero? 74 now, going the wrong way. Wesley Van Hooven. And he's actually got a right-hand drive as well. He's got a left-hand drive, you can understand it. Oh! And in goes 757, Joe Van Rysselberg, and here comes Boxer! Oh! Hello! And good afternoon! 74 now, going the right way. And he takes out the back of the Volvo. And here comes Joe and Boxer, and they're heading for Boom! It's Boom on turn 4! And then Boxer, he's got a track back! We have a way through now! Don't they up, don't they up? Oh! Boxer is split on the pit bed! 589, Simon Smith, the race leader. So 589, Simon Smith leads. Boxer car has gone bonkers down there for everybody else. 589 the leader, and 610 George G's takes a big head on from Joe Van Rysselberg. And dear oh dear. Absolutely incredible. So, looks like just like last year, a bit of a tradition. Each train goes to the last car running. And I can't see anyone doing 10 laps here. So, that may be the way it will go this time as well. Boxer Jack now in second place, Sharon. 331 up to second. The back axle looks interesting. And a classic from Boxer on George. 589 Simon Smith. He's a lap ahead now. 331, still second.
Oh, good.
And Boxer looking for fun on the pit bench. Who's next? Oh, a gentle one. 589 Simon Smith has suddenly found a bit of speed. We're halfway there now, Sharon. 589, the Essex champion leads. 610. George G still doing laps. And not surprisingly, Boxer's broken it on the pit bend, but still managing to find drive to one of the rear wheels. Oh, Simon Smith puts him in a spin. Well, it had to be done. And George thinks about it.